Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Clean and dry your hands, remove rings, and expose the wrist. Cut or tear the tape into manageable lengths. Make a 1/2-inch anchor loop around the wrist. Place the anchor so it sits flat. Maintain medium tension, not slack, not tight, because you need circulation and stability. Once positioned, press the sticky edge down firmly. This first anchor sets alignment for the whole wrap, so make sure the tape sits smooth and evenly before moving to the next step. Next, protect the knuckles. Wrap 2 overlapping passes across them with about 0.5 tension, firm but flexible, so the tape cushions impact and preserves dexterity. Once done, route a strip under the thumb, then over the back of the hand. This secures the thumb without cutting circulation. From there, create a figure-8 pattern between the wrist and fingers 2 times to lock the knuckle pad in place. Make sure edges lie flat, and once the pattern holds, smooth each pass to eliminate folds and pressure points. To finish, lay 2 finishing strips across the anchor and interface areas. Press every seam flat so nothing catches. Then test mobility. Make a fist, flex fingers, and check fingertip color and warmth to confirm circulation. If you feel numbness, pins and needles, or see pale tips, stop, loosen the last pass, and rewrap with reduced tension. This fixes most problems. Finally, perform a few practice motions. If coverage shifts, add a small stabilizing strip where needed and recheck for comfort and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.